Hi there, welcome to Data Lab Work Channel. Today we will be discussing on how to start selling on Amazon platform from scratch. Have you ever thought about selling products on Amazon? Imagine the possibilities, the vast global marketplace at your fingertips, the potential for success. It's all quite enticing, isn't it? Welcome to our guide on how to navigate this exciting world of e-commerce, specifically focusing on Amazon. In this journey together, we'll take a comprehensive look at the process of selling on Amazon from start to finish. We'll kick things off by discussing the initial steps of company registration and obtaining GST in India. From there, we'll move on to acquiring import and export licenses, a key component to expanding your business beyond borders. Of course, we can't forget about setting up your Amazon account, listing your products, and most importantly, shipping them internationally. And once all that's in place, we'll explore strategies for making sales and growing your business. Now let's dive into the first step of setting up your business on Amazon. Let's unlock your potential for success in the world of e-commerce. First things first, you need to register your company and get a GST number in India. Registering a company in India is a straightforward process. It begins with obtaining a Director Identification Number, or DIN, and a digital signature certificate. These are necessary to file e-forms with the Indian government. After obtaining these, you can apply for a name for your company. This should be unique and represent your business well. Research and select a reputable third-party service provider that offers business registration services to do the work for you. The charges may vary. Decide on the legal structure for your business, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability partnership, LLP, private limited company, or others. The choice depends on your business goals and requirements. The service provider will assist in preparing the necessary documents, including the Memorandum of Association, MOA, Articles of Association, AOA, and other incorporation documents. Once you've got your name approved, it's time to incorporate your company. This involves submitting several documents, including a Memorandum of Association and Articles of Association, along with a declaration that all legal requirements have been complied with. When your application gets approved, you'll receive a Certificate of Incorporation. With your company registered, it's time to focus on the Goods and Services Tax, or GST. It's a comprehensive, multi-stage, destination-based tax that's applied on every value addition. It's vital for businesses in India, as it has subsumed many indirect taxes that existed before. Getting a GST number is a simple online process. The first step is to visit the GST portal, that is
https://gst.gov.in.
On the GST portal, click on the Services tab and select Registration, and then New Registration. Here, you fill in the required details in Part A of Form GST Reg 01. Provide the necessary details, including your legal name, PAN, mobile number, and email address. You'll receive an OTP, one-time password, on your registered mobile and email. Enter the OTP to verify your identity. After submission, you'll receive a temporary reference number. Using this number, you need to fill out Part B of Form GST Reg 01 and specify the application with necessary documents. Once your application is verified and approved, you'll receive a certificate of GST registration. It's important to note that if your business operates from more than one state, you'll need to register for GST in each of these states. Registering your company and getting a GST number might seem like a daunting task, but it's a crucial step to set your business on the path to success. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step, and for your e-commerce journey, that step is registration. Once you have your company registered and your GST number, you're ready for the next step. Import and export license. Next, you need to get your import and export license. So you've registered your company and have your GST in place. The next important step is acquiring an import and export license, also known as an IEC, or Importer-Exporter Code, in India. This code is a key requirement for conducting international trade and is issued by the Directorate General of Foreign Trade under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. But why do you need this license? As an Amazon seller, your goal will likely be to reach customers far beyond your own borders. To facilitate this, you need to import and export goods legally and smoothly, and that's where the IEC comes into play. The IEC is not just a license, but your passport to the global marketplace. The process of acquiring an IEC is relatively straightforward. First, you need to gather the necessary documents. These include your PAN card, a current bank account, and your company's letterhead. You'll also need to provide a certificate from your bank. Next, you apply online through the DGFT website. Visit the DGFT website and create an account. You will need to provide your PAN, permanent account number, for registration. Fill in the necessary details, upload your documents, and make the payment. The fee is a nominal one-time payment, and there is no need for any renewal of this code. Once your application is submitted and the fee is paid, it's typically processed within 5 to 7 working days. After that, you can download your IEC certificate directly from the DGFT website. Keep in mind, even if you're not immediately planning to sell internationally, it's a good idea to have your IEC ready. It's always beneficial to be prepared for growth and expansion. One last tip. Always ensure your details are up to date on the DGFT website. If there are changes to your company, such as changes in the address or directors, make sure to update this information promptly. With your import and export license in hand, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, it's time to set up your Amazon seller account. Joining the world's largest online marketplace might seem daunting, but don't worry, we're here to guide you through each step. First, navigate to Amazon's homepage and scroll down to the bottom. Under the Make Money With Us section, you'll find Sell on Amazon. Click on it to begin your journey. You'll be directed to a new page where you need to click on Start Selling. This will lead to the seller account registration page. Here, you can choose between 2 types of accounts, individual or business. If you're just starting out and plan to sell less than 40 items a month, the individual account is for you. For those intending to sell more, the business account, though it has a monthly fee, is the better choice. Next, you'll need to provide some crucial details. Start by entering your business name as it will appear to your customers. Then, input your legal name and address. If your business is based in India, you'll also have to provide your GST number. Now you'll be asked for your phone number. Amazon will send you a one-time password or OTP for verification. Make sure to keep your mobile handy. After verifying your phone number, you're required to enter your credit or debit card details. This is necessary for Amazon to verify your identity and to charge the account fees. Make sure your card is internationally enabled, as Amazon is a global platform. The last step is to set up your store. You can choose a unique store name, which will be part of your store's Amazon URL. Make sure it's catchy and easy to remember, and there you have it. You've successfully set up your Amazon seller account. Remember, it might take a few hours for Amazon to verify your details, so be patient. With your account set up, you're ready to start listing products. Listing on Amazon. Listing your products is the next big step. As we dive into the world of product listing, it's essential to understand that a good listing on Amazon can make or break your sales. So, how do you go about this? Well, it's a 3-step process. Firstly, we have product descriptions. Think of this as your sales pitch. You need to convince potential customers that your product is what they need. Be clear, concise, and accurate. Highlight the benefits and features of your product, focusing on what sets it apart from the competition. Remember, the aim is to attract the customer and provide them with all the information they need to make a purchase decision. Next, we have product images. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and this couldn't be truer on Amazon. Your product image needs to be high quality and should accurately represent the product. It's advisable to include multiple images showcasing different angles and features of the product. You might also want to consider lifestyle images that show the product in use. This gives potential customers a better understanding of how your product fits into their lives. Finally, we come to pricing. Pricing your product can be a bit tricky. You need to strike a balance between affordability and profitability. It's essential to research your competitors' prices and understand your product's perceived value. Adjusting your price to be competitive, while also covering your costs and leaving room for profit, is the key to a successful pricing strategy. And there you have it. Once you've crafted a compelling product description, uploaded clear and attractive images, and set a competitive price, you're ready to list your product on Amazon. But remember, listing your product is just the beginning. Regularly reviewing and updating your listing based on customer feedback and market trends is essential for maintaining and improving your sales. Once your products are listed, you're ready to start selling. Shipping products internationally can seem daunting, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the process of shipping products internationally from India. The first step to shipping goods overseas is understanding customs regulations. Every country has its own set of rules and regulations when it comes to importing goods. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with these regulations to avoid any potential hiccups or delays. In India, The Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs is the governing body responsible for managing customs. You will need to fill out a shipping bill or bill of export, which is essentially a legal document that allows you to export goods. This document includes information about the goods, the destination country, and the exporter. Once the customs clearance is out of the way, you need to decide on a shipping option. There are several shipping methods to choose from, depending on your specific needs. If you're shipping small quantities and want a faster delivery, air freight might be the way to go. However, keep in mind that this method can be more expensive. On the other hand, if you're shipping large quantities and have more time on your hands, sea freight can be a cost-effective option. It may take longer, but it can significantly reduce your shipping costs. Another critical factor to consider is the Incoterms or International Commercial Terms. These are globally recognized terms that outline the responsibilities of sellers and buyers for the delivery of goods. Understanding these terms can help prevent misunderstandings and disputes down the line. One last thing, don't forget to insure your shipments. While it may seem like an unnecessary expense, it can save you from significant losses if something goes wrong during transit. Remember, international shipping is not a one-size-fits-all process. It requires careful planning and consideration. But once you get the hang of it, it opens up a world of opportunities for your business. With your shipping process in place, you're ready to start making sales. Now that everything is set up, it's time to start making sales and growing your business. There are a few strategies that can help you make sales on Amazon and grow your business. Let's discuss them one by one. Firstly, customer service. This is the cornerstone of any successful business. It's not just about selling a product, it's about the experience you provide to your customers. Respond to queries promptly, resolve issues effectively, and always strive to exceed customer expectations. Happy customers mean repeat business and positive reviews. Speaking of reviews, they are the lifeblood of your Amazon business. They provide social proof to potential customers and can significantly influence purchasing decisions. Encourage your customers to leave reviews by providing excellent service and follow-up communication. However, remember to stay within Amazon's guidelines for soliciting reviews. Next up, marketing. You may have the best product in the world, but if people don't know about it, they won't buy it. Use Amazon's advertising tools to promote your products. Consider using keywords in your product listings to improve searchability. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to reach a wider audience. Also, don't forget about pricing. Competitive pricing can attract more customers. Monitor your competition and adjust your prices accordingly. But remember, don't compromise on quality for the sake of lower prices. Lastly, keep an eye on your metrics. Amazon provides a wealth of data about your sales, customer behavior, and more. Use this data to identify trends, understand what's working and what's not, and make informed decisions to grow your business. Remember, success won't come overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and a constant willingness to learn and adapt. Keep testing different strategies, learn from your mistakes, and always aim to provide the best possible service to your customers. With these strategies in place, you're well on your way to running a successful Amazon business. So that's the process of setting up and running a business on Amazon. It might seem like a lot to take in at once, but remember, every big journey begins with a single step. Let's take a moment to recap everything we've covered in this video. We began with the foundational step of registering your company and obtaining your Goods and Services Tax, or GST, in India. This is a legal necessity, and the bedrock upon which your business will be built. It's not just about complying with the law, it's about establishing your business's identity and legitimacy. Next, we delved into acquiring your import and export license. This crucial step opens up the world to your business, allowing you to reach customers far and wide. The global marketplace is at your fingertips, and this license is your ticket to the international stage. Setting up shop on Amazon was our third step. We explored how to create an Amazon seller account, how to navigate the platform, and how to use its tools to your advantage. Amazon is an incredibly powerful platform that can propel your business to new heights if used effectively. Our fourth step was all about listing your products. We discussed how to create compelling listings that attract customers and encourage them to click that Buy Now button. Your product listings are your storefront, so make them as enticing as possible. Shipping products internationally was step 5. We covered the logistics of sending your products worldwide, ensuring they reach your customers promptly and in excellent condition. This step is where your business truly becomes global. Finally, we talked about making sales and growing your business. We discussed strategies for increasing your sales, customer retention, and scaling up your operations. This is the exciting part where all your hard work starts to pay off. Remember, every successful business started somewhere. Your Amazon success story starts today. Thank you for watching. If you had enjoyed the video, kindly hit the like button. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate it if you subscribe